Hey guys, what's up? This is Shubhadeep from eGadgets for you, and I am joined by my son Prince over here. And Prince, why are we in this video? What do we have over here?
We have this new cool box that is the camera.
It's a GoPro 10.
GoPro 10.
And
yes.
guys, if you're following my channel, you have seen that yes, I have posted one video previously that was about my hire card. And yes, this is a continuation of that particular thing, because since I'm going to be making that particular thing, although there is a little bit more surprise over there, which I'll disclose later on as well. So yeah, I've got this particular beast with me. So in this particular video, let us go ahead, unbox it, and of course, set this up. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so guys, this is a box, and yes, I have purchased this in the Great Indian Festival from Amazon. I have got a hell of a discount. To be very frank, I got this particular box and also some of this particular accessories over here, the cover, and not this microphone, this particular tripod over here. And yes, this is a tripod from Ulanzi. I'll put the buying link in the description as well. But yes, this is exactly the same tripod that GoPro also makes, but it's much more cheaper than that. And apart from that, also got the corkscrews for the tripod and also the corkscrew for this particular thing. And yes, of course, this particular screen guard. And apart from that, this 256 GB SanDisk high-speed micro SD card. And mind you guys, all this package deal I got for a price of 38,000 INR, 38. Yes, you have heard it right. I'll put all the buying link in the description as well, and at the end of the video I'll tell you what are the offers that I have actually availed in purchasing this particular thing. So let me put aside all these things. I'll get to it, this particular accessories, a little bit later on, but for now let's go ahead and open this particular box. And the first thing that I always see is that yes, this particular GoPro is actually yeah, it's imported from China. I'm a bit skeptical about that, don't like it. Anyways, topic of discussion for another day. But in the month and year of import is January 2022, so it's pretty much backdated, if you will see or say. But yes, let me just go ahead and open the GoPro box over here. Okay, after that, this reveals this particular box, and yes, this is good. This is good. It's a GoPro box. Let us go ahead and open this chain. The quality of the chain is very, very good, I must say. And yes, apart from that, in this particular packaged box, I got a 64 GB micro SD card as well over here. Some of the literatures that you can find over here that actually gives you the way how to insert the batteries, SD cards, and also to download this quick app. I'll show you guys also. Yeah, the product documentations over here. And apart from that, you will find the battery charging instructions as well, and yes, the manuals and warranty card and stuff like that. So let me just put it aside, all these things. Let's start with this. This is a battery charger. You can charge 2 batteries over here at once, and yes, I have availed for this particular option that gives you the option to charge 2 batteries as well, as you can see over here as well. Okay, this is one part. This is a particular holder, the corkscrew holder over here, and yes, this is another mount that you can find over here. It's a 3mm adhesive has been used. It's a very, very hard adhesive. Yes, the corkscrew is over here, and yes, moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. This is a GoPro Hero 10. So let me put aside all these things and dig deep into this particular camera for now and show you the setup process and everything. And guys, I actually missed it over here during the unboxing section of this particular video. There are a couple of chargers over here, charging point over here. This particular is a type C to type A, and this is also the type C to type A. The quality of these are very good. These are used to charge the batteries while the battery is inserted in the GoPro, or also this are used to transfer between the laptops and the mobiles. I'll make a separate video for these also, how to transfer the files from GoPro to your mobiles and laptops. Stay subscribed for that. Anyways, let's get deep into the GoPro for now. I must say, let me just go ahead and open this particular thing. Okay, yeah, this adhesive is also very, very much sticky. Oh my god, yeah, that's good. GoPros actually use a very strong adhesive. Yeah, this is the beast that you can see over here. So the very first thing that I'll do is open this thing. Just look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that does give great feelings, I must say. And yes, this is a beast, as you can see, and these are the stands over here. If you go ahead and check the mounts that came straight out of the box, just put it like that, insert the corkscrews over here like this, and yes, the GoPro stands like that. So yeah, I'll do it later on. I'll just dig deep into the other aspects as well at first. Over here you will see that there's a power mode over here. If you can see, yes, the power button is over here, the shutter button is over here, this is a lens, the front you get a front screen as well in the GoPro, and the back screen as well. And apart from that, you will find this particular thing over here. Please don't mess around with this particular thing over here. It's because the default microphones are actually over here. Although I intend to use this Rodeo microphone that I had like say for the past 4 years or so. I'll use this particular microphone when I'll vlog outside. But anyways, the inbuilt microphone of GoPro Hero 10 is also good. And yes, and now over here on this particular portion, you will see that this is a portion for the battery. You just need to use a little bit of your strength like that, and it opens up like that. I will go ahead and insert the battery that came along with the GoPro, and you will see that it goes in one way only. You will see that the pin needs to align over here. It should go in like that. But before once it goes in, I will go ahead and open the 64 gigs micro SD card that came by default. I'll use my 256 gigs micro SD card later on. It just goes in one way only. And yes, okay, I need to pull out the battery, and first I need to insert the micro SD card. It made a click sound, and yes, again inserting the battery. Okay, after that just presses and it goes in like that. So yes, now the moment of truth. Very first time I'm going ahead and switching on the power button. Okay, yes, that made a sound, and as you can see over here as well, it says GoPro. The startup screen has appeared over here, and yes, it says English. I'll go ahead and select English. Legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree. Let me just zoom in more. Yes, I agree to the terms available at GoPro. At the end of the day, you have to agree, or else it won't work. GPS. Turn on to tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. Why not? Okay, yes, this is the one that I'm talking about. You need to have the Quick app installed in your phone. This comes in Android as well as with iOS as well. Over here, let me just put the GoPro over there, and yes, over here you will find that I have actually installed the GoPro Quick app on my iPhone as well. I'll just increase the brightness over here, and yes, it says make the most of your shots and stuffs like that. I don't have an account, so I have to create an account. And yes, continue with Apple. Why not? I can use my Apple ID and all stuffs like that. Continue. Hide. So yes, do you almost done? Check your email for verifications, instructions. Do you own your GoPro? Yes. Set up your GoPro now? Yes. Bluetooth is off. I'll go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth. Got it. Connect our GoPro. We found your GoPro. It says Hero 10 Black over here, and yes, it's a Hero 10 Black. So connect camera. This actually makes sure of the fact that your Bluetooth pairing request pair. This actually makes sure of the fact that the GoPro that you have purchased from Amazon is an authentic one, because or else the app would not have recognized this particular GoPro. Name your GoPro. Yes, why not? I can give it my name. I prefer to use it with my son's name, so I'll give my his nickname actually. His nickname is Prince. Sorry. Yes. So yeah, save name. New name is saved over here, and camera update available. Update camera, and connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. It has an inbuilt Wi-Fi in this particular GoPro as well, so it will connect to the Wi-Fi, and yes, it will go. The screen of the GoPro Hero 10 has gone black over here. So yes, let me just pause. Wants to join? Yes, I want to join. Let me just pause it, and once this particular update is finished, I'll come back again with the next setup process. At the end of the day, I have to go ahead and accept this, because without accepting this particular legal disclaimer, I cannot go ahead. Transferring files to camera. Yeah, the GoPro screen has gone black, as you can see over here. And yes, the transferring is happening. Let the transfer happen. I'll be back soon. And after the firmware has been transferred to the GoPro camera, it says installing update. So you have to give it time, and I'll be back once the update is installed. Okay. it says all set over here, and it has given me a sound output over here in the GoPro as well. Press done, and yes, you can see your GoPro over here. Connect to the cloud, subscribe for auto upload. I can do this later, right? I'll do this later. Okay, your GoPro is ready. Let's go. And yes, we are in the screen. It's just connecting over here, scanning for new footage. You will not find any footage as I have not taken any photos as of yet. Okay, let me just put the phone for now over there and go inside the GoPro over here. I will make a dedicated video that will actually tell you about the various aspects of GoPro, stuffs like that. It will be a very detailed video for sure. And for now, you just need to know that yes, if I can swipe from top to bottom, you will find all the options over here. I will go through each and every options in the dedicated video of the GoPro as well. For now, I'm just going over here. It says standard wide. It will use a 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second. The super view one, cinematic mode, ultra slow mode, some basic stuffs are there. I don't want to mess around with this because yeah, I prefer to shoot with 4K 30, so it's 4K 30 over here. And again, if I tap over there, I go to this particular thing which says about the wide camera lens, or sorry, let me just focus here. This particular option says about the wide camera lens and the linear wide. As you can see, it's going as I'm doing it, super view and all. I prefer to keep it in the wide section only. And this is for the zooming option. As you can see, yes, it zooms 1x. Sounds good in the GoPro. This is the stabilization mode. You can go boost mode as well over here. I prefer to keep it high for now, and I will go through each of the options in a separate dedicated video. For now, just going ahead and changing my selection from video to photo. And just for the sake of this video, I'm just taking a quick snap. Check out your media, swipe up to see your media. You will find that yeah, this is a picture that it took. It's just a basic picture, as you can see over here. Anyways, let me just change this particular thing, and the next shot that you will see will be directly from this GoPro Hero 10 Black. And before doing that, let me just show you something else as well. I go to the video mode over here, and as you can see this particular screen over here, when I just tilt the camera like this, you will find that see that yes, it has a screen at the front as well, which I am seeing through over here. And apart from that, the other details, as I have already told, I will show in a dedicated video for the GoPro Hero 10 as well. So guys, this is shot with the GoPro Hero 10, and yes, I am seeing myself in the front screen as well. And wait, let me share the setup with you also. I will just make a video in this in my iPhone as well, so it shows you what is the setup like over here. And yeah, this is the setup. I'm just holding it, and it's not heavy at all. It's not heavy at all. Minimalistic setup. And of course, and yeah, I am joined by my son over here, as you can see over here. Hi. Yeah. So yeah, you enjoying?
Yes.
So is a GoPro yours or mine?
Mine.
Okay. Okay, now guys, I have to tell you something. Like I told you at the start of the video as well, that yes, by the way, I'm not using an external mic. The voice that you're hearing is from the GoPro Hero 10 itself. So yes, how I got it for 38,000. Yes, this particular bundle offer with the GoPro Hero 10, 2 batteries, charger to charge the 2 batteries, a 64 gigs of micro SD card, along with this pouch and all, was costing me something around 42 to 43,000 rupees. And apart from that, this particular GoPro copy stand that I'm holding it in my hand, this Ulanzi stand, I'll put the link in the buying link in the description as well. The 256 GB micro SD card of SanDisk with a high speed one, and of course the screen protectors for the cameras, the front screen and on the back screen. And this particular cover of this particular GoPro Hero 10, with a bundle offer, it was costing something around 43,000 to 44,500 after the heavy discounts and all. Then what I did was that the offer was valid with my SBI cards as well. So yes, I got to use my SBI card, and using that gave me a discount of something around 5,300 rupees. The total actually came around 38,342, something like that. And I got this entire deal in this price, in this great Indian sale from Amazon, which was absolutely amazing. absolutely amazing. I was planning to buy a GoPro. I was confused between 9 and 10, and when the 11 came out, I was sure that 10 would be in a discounted price, and the Great Indian sale helped me a lot, man. And yes, I got it in this particular price, and I hope it's worth it. The full review will come. I'll use this particular thing a lot more. I will shoot a lot of things because, as you know, I'm from Kolkata and the Durga Puja season is here. I will roam around. I'll take videos with this GoPro. I'll post it over there. So stay subscribed to my channel, turn on that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and families. I'll see you soon in my next video. That'll be it, guys. Bye for now.